Look at this yummy pot, lovelies. Very easy and delicious ground meat pasta. Stay tuned and let's cook. The first on my list for today's recipe is my garbage. If you don't want to have garbage on your pasta, please skip it. I will be going for a small portion of this garbage today, so go ahead and cut just as you see on the screen. After cutting that, you will get your baking pan, lay out parchment paper, introduce your cut garbage, sprinkle small amount of salt and drops of oil. But you can as well choose to go in with your garbage without roasting it. I just want to have that light roast flavor in my pasta pot today, okay? It shouldn't be too much, just undertone of a roast flavor is what we need for today's recipe. Okay, if I said it earlier, at 190 degrees C for 20 minutes. To continue, I will introduce some amount of sunflower oil in my hot pot. Go in with your minced meat. Combo for today is pork and beef. Now generously saute that, making sure you have the right temperature to do this. When you are done, one thing you want to achieve is to have your meat chunk in your pot, okay? Unlike when you are making bolognese sauce, you want to make sure everything is well separated. No, in this case today, we want to have those chunk of meat just like this, okay? Just like meatballs in your pasta bowl. Now, when you achieve this point, as you see on the screen, if you have gotten to this level, and then you want to introduce your sliced onion, go in with your sliced onion and pressed garlic. Let me use this time to say thank you all so much to my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all so much. Thanks for always being there. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. Now back to our cooking. I will season with some majoram, some white pepper, seasoning powder, and smoked paprika powder. Again, I'll go in with small amount of salt to taste. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. After making sure the spices are well incorporated, you want to introduce your tomato sauce at this point. I am going for canned tomatoes. You can go for fresh one or tomato paste, okay? It is winter and this is the perfect one I usually go for at this point. At this point, you want to go in with your pasta. You can go for any pasta of your choice. Pre-boiled pasta mustn't be in this case because our meat has to be cooked. So we will use the same time to cook our pasta along. What I would do is just measure out 300 grams of pasta, give it a wash, do so if you care, and then introduce in your pot. It is time to go in with your liquid, beef broth, chicken broth, or any other broth is perfect. I went for hot water. I went for 500 ml water for 300 gram of pasta. I would say a very big thank you to you that have watched this far. I appreciate you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you also haven't subscribed to my channel, it is time to check out my channel for more recipes. If this is what you love to see, then go ahead, subscribe to my channel for future recipes and also hit the notification bell. You will be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. Now back to my garbage. 20 minutes later, this is what I have. You see just light roast in some part of the garbage, okay? Now put that aside. 8 minutes later, I have my al dente pasta. It is not overcooked, depending on how you want yours. You want to taste to adjust to your preference at those points. At this time, you will go in with your heavy cream. You want to stir everything together. Like guys, it is almost good to go. If you want a little bit hotter, then go in with some peppers, more peppers. Just adjust to your taste, okay? So I went in with my garbage. Next, if you're going for fresh garbage, that means you have to do this a little bit earlier, okay, then stir everything, and our pot is just very fast. I mean, very, very fast and delicious. So again, I went in with my cheese. Okay, just go for mozzarella cheese or any of your favorite cheese is perfect. After adding my cheese, I had to cover to let the cheese melt for just not more than 2 to 3 minutes. I came back just adding some chives, okay, the different cheese here, now chives, okay. I went in with my chives just for neutral, just beautiful, good looking color and serve. Thank you all so much for watching to this time. I appreciate you all. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your loved one, please, and leave your opinion down below. See you in my next one. Bye for now.